In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to give access to a private GitHub repository. This is useful when you want to collaborate with specific people while keeping your code private. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the private repository that you want to give someone access to. Once you're inside the repository, look at the top toolbar and click Settings. This is where you can manage your repository configuration and access permissions. In the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and find Collaborators. Click on it to open the repository's access management section. On the Collaborators page, click Add People. A search field will appear where you can search for the person you want to invite. Enter their GitHub username, full name, or email address. GitHub will display matching accounts as you type. Once you find the correct person, click their profile and then click Add to send the invitation. The person will receive an invitation and will need to accept it before they can access the private repository. Once they accept, they'll be able to access the repository according to the permissions they've been given. And that's it. You've successfully given someone access to your private GitHub repository, allowing you to collaborate while keeping your project secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.